Why this scene from Solo Leveling made me cry? Because this shows a real man from her mother's womb paying her the price for her milk. And some of you guys think that this is normal. If he didn't have any powers like System, he won't be able to save his mother. Man, I want to support my family too after watching this. But bro, you are an orphan. But he have a grandpa. But he's dead too. So let me continue with my video. And I think that's wrong because you are thinking that he can't do it without his power from the system. And I think even if he can't do it, that shows the bravery of this man. And there can be 3 reasons why I cry while watching this scene. And the most important reason, he was ready to sacrifice himself for those people who he don't even know. And even they used to make fun of him because he was a E rank hunter. As you guys know, when he was a E rank hunter, he got nothing, and his mother also sick because of him. We don't know the reason for it. And he got a little sister who he have to pay for her expenses for the school, and he also pay for the doctor fees at the hospital for his mother. And his father was gone to get some milk for his family, but he never returned. My parents were also gone to get some milk for me. So both of your parents are gone to get some milk for you. So where are they now? But they never returned after that. That's expected. So let me tell you some even more about the Jinwoo's father. And he was a firefighter before turning into a hunter when he come back from buying some milk in a dungeon. And then after that he got captured by the Americans because there was a language barrier. They couldn't communicate with him, so they called a S rank hunter to communicate with him. And then the Jinwoo fathers explained to that S rank hunter he was gone to buy some milk in the dungeon, but he got stuck there when he tells his son name is Jinwoo. Then the S rank hunters lies to him by saying that your son is killed by me. And after that he gave some milk to that S rank hunter by knocking him down under few seconds. And after that he was last seen with the S rank hunter. The second reason is for his bravery, because when he was dying he shows this sign of bravery. Even though when he was his limit, he still fight back to pay the father's child support to his mother and his sister. The third reason, when he cured his mother, is his actions were right or wrong by becoming a hunter and doing some cruel stuff like killing some hunters. So that's the end of the video then. And this episode shows us we got to pay our mama's milk no matter what, even if our life is on the line. So please make sure to hit that sub button and that like button for my hard work and my emotion. Sayonara guys, bye bye.